for doing such action. Was it difficult for you to train yourself for this character? And were you ever skeptical that how you would, match up to Akshay's level?
Yes, of course. Akshay sir.
Should I answer this question if that's okay?
Acha
with
sir.
you?
हाँ.
I think he has done so brilliantly, so brilliantly. I'm shocked myself. Yes, because he doesn't have a background of martial art or any kind of thing, but this boy has worked day and night in the gym, learning all the kind of moves, all kind of, different kind of arts, whether it's jiu-jitsu or aikido, things which I don't think he even knew about it also, but this boy has done it, and I'm shocked myself that somebody can work so hard also. I thought I was a hard-working person, but here he comes, the man who works more harder than me.
Not at all, because you knew everything, sir. So it was not at all hard for him. It was very easy for him because he's been kicking and punching since I've seen all your films. I mean, खिलाड़ी के ज़माने से आप.
Yeah, thanks for reminding me of my age.
बड़े भैया. But it was very nerve-wracking. I was very nervous, very upset. I was only, I think, obsessing about the way I look and my technique. I was troubling Karan Malhotra all the time on set. या तो मैं सिर्फ train करता था, या तो खाना खाता था, या सोता था. तो तीन ही चीजें कर रहा था 4 महीने के लिए. हाँ, अकेले सोता था. हाँ. मैं सिर्फ 3 चीजें कर रहा था because वहाँ पे वो भी allowed नहीं हमारी training में. तो बड़ी मेहनत करी. And hopefully it should all come together when the film comes out.
My first few couple of scenes were in that MMA ring, and so it was entertaining because we had Sid and Akshay in the ring fighting, and so I thought to myself on my first day, this is a good movie for me. At least I'll have fun throughout this movie. But yeah, I think more than anything, this is my first Dharma production. And also working with Karan Malhotra has, I think, made me, it's almost like I feel like I've done like 10 movies, just doing this one movie, because he's taught me so much. He's been very patient, and I've never actually done a role like this before. So there was a lot of hesitancy, and he kind of like, him and Ekta, they were there for me, and they kind of erased all of that, and even Karan was very, I think, encouraging. And of course, working with Akshay again, we worked in Houseful too, but we were not opposite to each other, so this was a great experience, even just in terms of the roles that we're both playing. I didn't have much with Sid, but...
Nothing at all, actually. You were only seeing me half naked every day fighting with him.
Yeah,
that's all we did.
I'm not complaining. And even Jackie sir, I think, it's just such an honor just to be on this stage. It's just such an amazing
Thank you, lady.
bunch of men.
अक्षय जी यहाँ पे अक्षय जी सिद्धार्थ मेरा आपसे सवाल है कि जो बॉक्सिंग जो हुआ एक्शन
उस लुक को चेंज करने के लिए या उससे अलग दिखने के लिए क्या क्या चीजें की हैं बिकॉज उसमें हम लोग ऑलरेडी आपका एंग्री यंग मैन लुक देख चुके हैं
बहुत चीजें आई थिंक ऑल थैंक्स टू करण मल्होत्रा उन्होंने पहले एक तस्वीर दिखाई मुझे 4 महीने पहले एक 6 फुट 4 इंच का गंजा रेसलर तो पहले डर गया कि पहले बाल काटने पड़ेंगे ऐसा कुछ आई थिंक इज नॉट रिफरिंग टू पर वो सिर्फ वजन दिखा रहे थे उसका तो वो भी बहुत कम टाइम था करने के लिए 4 महीने में तो जैसा कि कहा उसमें हमारी ट्रेनिंग शुरू हुई हमारे ट्रेनर्स आए अमेरिका से हमारी एक टीम थी जिन्होंने हमें ट्रेन किया डिफरेंट के मुझे ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ी ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज मेरा बैकग्राउंड नहीं है सर की तरह तो मैंने तकरीबन 4 महीने सिर्फ वही किया और कुछ नहीं किया फिर लुक पे काम किया थैंक्स टू आलिम जिन्होंने किया और करण मल्होत्रा के रेफरेंस से वी ट्राइड अ न्यू लुक पहली बार इतनी बड़ी दाढ़ी और बज जस्ट टू मेक इट कन्विंसिंग पहले से अलग दिखना था करण मल्होत्रा का ये था कि ही वांटेड टू बैलेंस इट आउट अक्षय सर 10 किलो घटाएंगे तो मैं 10 किलो बढ़ाऊंगा तो वही कोशिश थी सर आई थिंक ट्रेनिंग कर रहे थे कम करने के लिए मैं बढ़ाने में लगा था
अक्षय आपसे सवाल है मेरा कि आपने ओरिजिनल फिल्म देखी है और देखी है तो उससे कितनी चीजें इस फिल्म में दर्शकों को देखने को मिलेगी उस तरीके की
जी बिल्कुल मैंने देखी है फिल्म और उससे काफी बेहतरीन है ये फिल्म
I think the audience predominantly is ready for good content, and I think you present that in any kind of genre, it'll always resonate with an audience. I recently, if you see this, the films that have done well, even in the recent past, it's always content overriding anything else. Similarly, I think whether it is Brothers or the previous works of Dharma Productions, what I react to is always as a cinegoer And to me, as a cinegoer, for me, Hindi cinema has always meant, you know, a certain syntax of emotion that I hope, you know, always connects. So even Brothers, when Karan narrated the brilliant adaptation that Ekta had written to me for Brothers, the one thing, the core connect, I don't know anything about mixed martial arts, and I can't pretend to know. Just the way these men fight is something, I would never be able to direct a film like this. I'm incapable. But what I did resonate with was the deep emotion the film has. It has a very strong emotional connect. In fact, it's Jacqueline in an avatar that you have not seen before. She and Akshay and Sid and Jackie have these at opposite poles of actually emotion that all come together efficiently. So all four of them actually have done work that they've never done before. And that emotional connect is the soul and the whole of Brothers. More than the action, it's the emotion that overrides it. It's a film that actually deeply connects with a vast audience, I believe.